Why does discipline feel so impossible? You promise yourself you'll wake up earlier, start working out, study harder, or stop wasting hours scrolling, but a few days later you fall back into the same habits. After a while, it starts to feel like something is wrong with you, like you just don't have enough willpower. But the truth is, discipline doesn't feel impossible because you're lazy. It feels impossible because your brain is designed to avoid effort and chase easy rewards. Once you understand this, discipline becomes much easier to build. First, your brain prefers instant rewards. Your brain runs on dopamine. Not just the pleasure chemical, but the chemical that drives motivation. The problem is that modern life gives you dopamine instantly. Social media, short videos, games, notifications, all of these give your brain quick rewards with almost no effort. But disciplined activities are different. Studying, exercising, building skills. They reward you much later, so your brain naturally chooses the easier option. To fix this, you need to make good habits easier than bad ones. Put your phone in another room. Prepare your workspace before you start. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. The less resistance there is, the easier discipline becomes. Second, most people rely too much on motivation. They think disciplined people feel motivated all the time. But motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel driven and focused, other days you feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated. Successful people don't depend on motivation. They depend on systems. A system is something you do automatically, like brushing your teeth. You don't wait to feel motivated to brush your teeth. You just do it because it's part of your routine. Instead of saying, "I'll work when I feel motivated," create a fixed routine. For example, I work for 30 minutes every day at 7 p.m. Routine removes the need for constant willpower. Third, most goals are simply too big. When people decide to change their lives, they start with huge expectations. Study for 3 hours, exercise for an hour, wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Your brain sees these goals as exhausting before you even start, so it resists. A better strategy is to start extremely small. 1 push-up, 5 minutes of studying, reading 1 page. Small actions create momentum, and momentum builds discipline. Finally, many people destroy their discipline by being too harsh on themselves. They miss one day and immediately think they've failed. One missed workout turns into quitting entirely. But discipline isn't built through perfection, it's built through consistency. Instead of trying to be perfect, follow a simple rule: never miss twice. Missing once is normal. Life gets busy, people get tired. But if you return the next day, the habit stays alive. Discipline doesn't come from forcing yourself endlessly. It comes from understanding how your brain works and designing habits that work with it, not against it.